好，我是雪玲 and this is Wolfie, my parrot. And here's our new little friend Sharky, whom you'll also be seeing more of soon. I'm very excited to announce that today is the day that we're officially launching our Billy Billy page. I know that many of you already know Wolfie, so here we are. I hope that we can make many more new friends here. I'll share our stories, our tricks and our tips here, and you get to see many more lovely moments of Wolfie and Sharky. Please keep tracking our Billy Billy channel for our upcoming videos. 感谢大家的支持 I hope that you continue to enjoy our stories. 希望能给你们带来更好的视频，更多的快乐。干杯！No.